my name is Carolina Herrera. I am from Sunshine State Academy, and today we are going to make some phonics um, cards with strips, and we are going to use them using, I'm going to go over that materials. We're going to be using construction paper, or you can have color paper, um, whatever you want to use. We're going to be use a ruler. We're going to be use scissors. Glue, you can use any kind of glue. You can use the glue stick, or you can use the liquid. We're also going to be using markers. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to be cutting the cards. So we're going to be using in the strips. So I already had the measurement of already cut it. So for the white ones, for the card, the main one, we are going to be cutting it 2.5 by 5 inches using the ruler. And then we're going to have the strips, which is going to be about 1.75 inches by 5.5 inches. And then I also did the little square in the middle, which you are going to be cutting off. That's about 2 inches all around. So you are going to be cutting that first. So I already did mine. So just make sure that you cut it, like I put it in the middle, little cut, and then cut it around the square. So we're gonna do that first. And phonics is one of the first things that your child need in order for them to, is having the alphabets and the sounds, and it's easier for them to do it this way, so they don't have all those lists. So if you do it maybe like by, depends on the ending of the phonics, and it will be like I did AN, I did it, but you can do all of them, and then it's easier for them, and you don't have them all grouped together. So it's easier for them to go one by one and start with the basic ones, and then after that you can do and mix the blend the letters, and then that way you can review it with them as well. So after I cut the middle square, looks like this, and then after that we are going to see I have 2 pieces, and then I am going to glue them together. Make sure that you only going to glue the part right here at the end of the rectangular, and then all the big side. That one on top, based on the square, you're going to leave it open, because that's how you're going to go and put the strings in. So the top and the bottom, you are going to leave it without the glue. So we are going to put glue all around, and I'm going to use this paper so it doesn't get on my table. So I'm going to do the glue all around. Again, you can use this type of glue, or you can use the liquid, so whatever. Remember, I'm not going to do anything, no glue in the top or bottom, only on the side of that construction paper. Or if you want to use also any type of paper that you want to use, whatever is easier for you. Okay, and then we are going to glue it, and then it's going to look like this. Okay, then now remember, since you didn't put any glue in the top or the bottom, it's going to be easier for you to do that strips, the paper strip that you're going to have the letter. So it has to come all the way up, or you can start from the bottom, you can start from the top, but it has to come out. So it's going to look something like this. So it will be easier for you to write whatever information that you're going to have. For this one, I am going to do the at ending. So I'm going to use a marker, and I'm going to do my ending right on the big space that we have in the little card. So I'm going to do at, and then on the strip, what you're going to do is the letters that you want them to learn using the at. Okay, so we can start alphabetical. I like to do it alphabetical order. so that way we can do very basic. Start with a very basic letters like B as in bat, and then we're gonna do C as in cat. We can do H as in hat. We can do M as in mat, and we can do R as in rat. So very basic. You can do, the strips can be as long as you want, and you can include as well that blending letters, but start easy with them and then you can add it up later on. You can change the strips with the same exact ending and it will be easier for them to do. So you can see, and then you can keep going up and then it will be easier for them to review that. So very easy to do, and it will be something for them to get useful and learn their phonics. Okay, thank you.